Hey, WordPress League, I'm Gumdhar back again with another new episode, and this will be a very short and tiny episode. Actually, I occasionally visit several WordPress leaders, those who help us in a best way. So for visiting purpose, or say checking the things, or what's the new and what are they are doing. So in this case I jump on Mr. Daryl Wilson. He is the one of the most popular WordPress tutorial maker and WordPress teacher, WordPress guru, we can say. I jump on his website and I found an interesting thing. I also found in several WordPress in so many popular websites, they are also doing this thing. The interesting thing is that uh, this one, these are his YouTube channel. So when I click on this YouTube button, this redirect directly to the YouTube channel of him, and I got this pop-up. Without subscribe, I get a subscribe pop-up. So it's helped the users a bit to get a subscription from the users, from the visitors, from the traffic very easily. In my sense, that's why they are putting this link. So I was trying to figure out how can I create this type of subscribe link for my website and for my
Bienvenidos
channel as
amigos
well.
míos, pasen y tomen asiento.
I'm sorry.
Mi nombre es Daryl Wilson.
The link which I have clicked, they already automatically played. So that's why from that time I was trying to figure out how can I create this type of subscription link for my site and for my YouTube channel. So I figured out finally. So I have added this link to my website as well. So here, when I click this button, it will automatically redirect to the YouTube subscription pop-up button with the YouTube subscription pop-up button. So how did I create that? It's a very easy way. So to create that, see, this is my YouTube channel, Govinda Tarodar, and the subscribe link also available here. The most interesting thing is the link I will be sharing with you. Let's check. What's the link? It will be better to show you the link with document page or text editor. So I'm opening a text editor. Sorry for the glitch. Text edit. If I open this, and then it will help me a bit to show you the link. This is my YouTube channel link, so you can see this. This is my YouTube channel link, and if I increase the font size, so this is the YouTube channel link of my site. And if I want to create the subscribe link, what should I do? I have to add this thing to here, a question mark and sub underscore confirmation. So confirmation equals to 1. Here is your link created. So it could be any link of your website, of your YouTube channel. As for example, if you are in the video section, so you can just copy the link and just add the extra suffix to your link. let's check. This is my videos link, so I want to check this. Is this work or not? Is this working or not? It takes the time. See, this is working. So this is the way how you can create this kind of pop-up subscription pop-up for your YouTube channel by adding this short prefix to your line. So I will give the code link prefix to the my description, and check it and copy it for you for yourself and place it wherever you want. So this is for this video, and this is a very short video, and you can do it by yourself, and this is all about for this video. If you like this video, then just give the thumbs up button and stay with me. Thank you, WordPress League. Tata, bye bye.